This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Well-maintained traditional brick home in an established neighborhood situated on over half-acre of land. Home features a large detached garage with a west/workshop, spacious bedrooms, huge bonus room upstairs west/fireplace, original hardwood floors under carpet, excellent curb appeal, and a peaceful yet private backyard with a screened-in sun porch to relax and make your own oasis. Did I mention it's conveniently located minutes from interstates, shopping, entertainment, military bases, and more? Don't let this one slip away. Call for your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300-1569.